today in the garage at the Indian Motorcycle Product Development Center, we're talking about the quick release fairing and storage for the Indian Scout. Dan, this is a pretty cool piece.
The coolest part of this fairing is it's quick release. So you can have this fairing on and off in a motorcycle in a matter of seconds. And it's very, very secure. We actually have two other windshields for this as well. We have a mid and a tall. So depending on if you're a taller guy or have a longer torso, we have an offering that will suit you very well. This part comes in every single Scout color we've ever made back to 2015. So we came up with this cool little bag that just pops into the fairing very simply, and it sits right there.
This really, on the bike, it looks like it's meant to be there. The color match is good, everything is sleek, it fits really well. I dig it, this is super cool.
And?
It's amazing.
Right?
Like really amazing. It makes this bike a different machine, right? This takes it from just a standard Scout and it makes it something unique. It really looks good. It fits well on this.
Yeah, I mean, you take the Scout, which is a great cruiser, and you turn it into kind of a mini touring model.